Hello everyone and welcome to this demonstration of our intelligent expense management copilot agent ExpenseMate built using Microsoft Copilot Studio, Power Automate, Outlook and Dataverse. In today's fast-paced organizational environment, managing employee expense claims through emails, spreadsheets and offline approvals is not so only slow and error-prone but also lacks visibility, policy compliance and accountability. Our goal was to build a smart, role-aware conversational agent that streamlined the reimbursement process end to end, from submission to manager notification, all the way to policy validation and tracking, powered by Microsoft Copilot Studio. Let me now walk you through how ExpenseMate works and the architecture behind it. The ExpenseMate Copilot agent provides three core services through a single conversational interface: submit an expense request, track submitted requests, ask expense policy questions. To enable all these intelligent actions, we built a robust but lightweighted backend tables using Dataverse. The first one is the expenses. This table stores every expense record submitted by employees and includes employee name, employee email, category, description of the expense, expense date, the amount of the expense, status of the reimbursement, the attachment of the bill, everything. The second table is the user role mate table. This table stores role-based user information, including employee name, employee role, example, employee, manager, finance. It plays a crucial role in identifying user role on login, routing notifications, example, sending emails to the finance team, managers, etc., enabling secure and targeted interactions. For the sake of this explanation video, I have assigned myself as manager and changed few flow conditions in the Copilot agent so that we can able to see the employee interaction and how the email is getting auto generating and sent it to the manager. The third table is the expense policies Dataverse table, used as a structured knowledge base for frequently asked reimbursement questions like submission timelines, limits, or document requirements. And in addition to this, we have also connected a Word doc file as a generative AI knowledge source. We can even see it over here. So users can ask questions in natural language. Now, let's launch the agent. Right off the bat, it greets us by name and also the agent identifies the user role at login using the role mates table in Dataverse, enabling us to customize the flow for each user, whether they are an employee or a manager. It feels smart, responsive, and enterprise ready. So you're logged in as an employee. Here what I can help you with today. Submit a new expense claim, track the status of your submitted expenses, explore our reimbursement policies, and frequently asked questions. So let's begin by submitting a new expense claim. The agent collects all required inputs in a structured yet friendly format. So, on what date did the expense occur? Let's go with 5th July 2025. So, 05. What is the total amount you are claiming for this expense? Let's go with 2500. The category for the expense, let's say meals. So, could you briefly describe the purpose of this expense? Let's say client lunch meeting. Upload a PDF file. So for the sake of the explanation of this video, I'm uploading just a demo file. See, Vignesh, your expense request is submitted successfully. We have received all the details. Now sit back and relax. While we process it, you will be notified once it's reviewed and approved. So once submitted, the agent calls a Power Automate flow behind the scenes, which performs three key actions: stores the expense in the Dataverse expense table, sends a confirmation message to the employee, triggers an email to the manager using the Outlook connector, and sends all the data passed from the agent directly to the email. As we can see, a professional email sent is instantly sent to the manager with all the expense details like amount, category, and date dynamically filled. Thus, the manager no longer have to check Excel files or search inboxes. As soon as the request is submitted, a tailored Outlook email is generated, including expense details. This ensures transparency and fast turnaround times, all without the employee sending even a single follow-up. Now, let's explore the other options. Now, let's track submitted request, track an existing expense request. With just one click, the agent shows us all the requests that we have submitted earlier. So here's a big breakdown of all your expense requests. So we have just submitted this request: category meals, description, client lunch meeting, date, amount, status submitted. All of this is powered by a agent flow that filters the expense table based on the user's email. The output is beautifully formatted with emojis and line breaks, making data easily readable inside chat. Now let's ask a question about expense policies. So what would you like to know about our expense or reimbursement policies? So let's ask a question. What is the maximum hotel bill I can claim? All of this is powered by Power Automate Flow that filters the expenses. So the agent uses the two smart sources to answer: the expense policy table for the structured response, and the doc file as a generative AI source for natural open-ended queries. Thus, we have got the solution here. The maximum hotel bill you can claim under the expense or reimburse policy is 5,000 per night. We can just recheck it. Employees can claim hotel usage up to 5,000 per night. So it is provides the solution to it. So, yes, we want to ask another question, or no, take me back. So let's say, no, take me back. If the answer, so after every task, the agent offers options like add another expense, track a request, ask a policy question, return to main menu. This structured looping keeps the experience smooth and self-guided. So, what does expense made change for us? It reduces claim processing time, eliminates manual approvals and email confusion, creates a centralized searchable expense database, enables instant Q&A on expense policies with zero HR involvement, ensures every stakeholder, employee manager or HR gets real-time updates. It's a self-service financial assistant for every employee. To conclude, ExpenseMate is more than a chatbot. It's a digital operations partner for your finance team. It simplifies tedious workflows, saves time, and introduces a consistent error-free process for handling all expense-related tasks. Thank you for watching this demo. We are excited to roll this out and continue evolving the experience further.